Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we will see how we can set up Keplr Wallet and after that use it. So just sit back and relax and let's explore the Keplr Wallet. So in order to download it, you just have to search for it on your Play Store, App Store, or you can also search it up on your browser. After that, just open up the website and this is how it will appear. Now just simply click on this option of install Keplr and wait for it. Now you would be able to see different platforms where you can get Keplr Wallet. You can get it for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Apple iOS or Android. Just simply get it. So in our case, we will see how we can get it for Chrome. So just simply click on this option of Chrome and wait for it to load. And now this is how it will appear. Over here, you will be able to find the option of add to Chrome. In your case, since I already have it, that's why it is saying as remove from Chrome for me. But for you, it will say add to Chrome. Just simply click on it and add to your Chrome, and it will be added as an extension on your Chrome. You can find it in your extensions on the top. Just simply pin it in order to see it like this. After getting it, just simply click on it and you would be able to create a new account. Make sure that you save your recovery phrase if you are using your recovery phrase other than your email address. And don't share your recovery phrase with anyone else. After that, just simply open up Keplr and this is how it will appear. Now over here, you will find different options, the available section and the staked section. So in the available section, you will be able to find the funds available with you and also other options as well, like deposit, buy and send. And you will also be able to see the claimable staking rewards. And for that, you can just simply go to the staked option and stake your cryptos in order to get the claimable rewards. And you can also open up your portfolio in Keplr dashboard by just simply clicking over here. You will be able to see different chains that you are connected to on Keplr Wallet. In case if you want to add some other chain, then just simply click on this option of three lines at the top left hand side corner and click on this option of manage chain visibility. Now it will redirect you to this page. Over here, just select any of the chain that you want to add, and this way you would be able to add that particular chain to your Keplr Wallet, and that chain will appear over here. And this is how you do it. Now in order to deposit the funds on your Keplr Wallet, just simply click on this option of deposit and select the chain of your choice through which you want to deposit the funds. Suppose you want to deposit Injective, then just simply select the Injective option and the address will be copied on its own. Then just paste this particular address on any particular exchange like Binance or MCX or any other and send Injective to your Keplr Wallet. In case if you want to do it for Atoms, then just simply select this one, Cosmos Hub address, because it is quite important that you choose the right address for getting the cryptos in your wallet. Otherwise, your funds will be lost forever. Now let's see how we can stake on Keplr Wallet. For that, just simply click on this option of staked and click on this option of stake with Keplr dashboard. Now it will redirect you to this place. Over here, in case if you already have some funds, then it will recommend you some chains where you can stake your particular crypto. And in case if you want to do it on your own, then just simply close it up. And over here, just simply select the option of stake on the left hand side and click on Injective. Now you will be able to see different validators over here. You can select any of the validator through which you want to stake your Injective and earn the rewards. In the far right corner, you will be able to find the option of commissions. Over here, you will find different percentages. These percentages are the commission charged by a particular validator. So whatever you will be earning or providing the funds, you would be charged this particular commission on that. And you would be earning 15.77 APR. So this is how it all works. All you have to do is just select any particular validator and stake that particular crypto that you have. And that's how you do it. Now let's get back. And you can also select any particular chain on Keplr by just simply clicking on any particular chain and checking it out. Now when you scroll down, you would be able to find all the validators on Cosmos also. In the similar way that we just saw, you can also provide liquidity on Cosmos using Keplr. This way you would be earning different rewards, and that's how we do it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.